Hi Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame, Soulmate and Love Connection Energy reading for the month of September 2021 with me, Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, Virgo, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and share in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. If this message does not resonate with you, Virgo, you may consider checking your moon, your rising and your Venus sign. Any of those messages may resonate with you. Also, on today's reading here, Virgo, we are going to be looking into both of your energy and your person energy. And I'm also going to be pulling up some channel messages towards the end of the reading for you, Virgo. So please stay tuned until the end of the reading to get some channel messages from your person. Now let's look into the reading. On this side here, Virgo, is your energy. On this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the rules or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. The sign that I'm getting coming up for you here, Virgo, I'm getting a very strong water sign, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. I'm also getting a very strong air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini, as well as earth sign, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now the main message that I'm getting coming up for you here, Virgo, I'm getting this Five of Pentacles energy. And then I've also got the overall energy as the Ten of Swords. So let me start with this overall energy, Ten of Swords energy coming up for you here, Virgo. I'm getting a very strong feeling of being backstabbed, some sort of like a manipulation or deception that may had happened towards you here, Virgo. I feel like this is something that had happened in the past, like by someone else, like someone did something to backstab you, or to just like manipulate you, or to do some kind of like a deception energy coming up here. And another thing that I've got coming up here, especially with this Five of Pentacles here, this is more of like you are feeling extremely stuck, feeling stagnant. And another thing that I've got coming up from your side here, Virgo, is that you are almost being controlled by your fear, or you are almost being controlled by the anxiety, and just like overall here is that negative thought and negative thinking within yourself, almost like a paranoia is another thing that I've got coming up here. So I feel like for some reason you haven't completely let go of whatever had happened in the past, this feeling betrayed, this feeling of backstab here. And with this Five of Pentacles energy coming up, it's almost that you are closing yourself inside this room, and you do not want to step outside of the door or step outside of the room, because you feel like someone from the outside is going to hurt you. So it's almost like you are generalizing everything. And this is what's serving in a way that you are trying to protect yourself, in a way that you are putting up a defense mechanism, I would say here, surrounding yourself here, Virgo. But this is also what's serving as a blockage for you here, because at this time what is happening here is that you are closing up yourself, or you are punishing up yourself here for someone, or for something that had happened to you in the past. Because first, you are unable to forgive yourself for ignoring or for not realizing about how much the other person had hurt you, or for whatever had happened in the past, and you're also not being able to forgive the other person. I feel like this is going to be a major lesson for you here, especially with the upcoming Mercury retrograde, because this upcoming Mercury retrograde energy is going to be invoking a lot of pain and trauma from the past, especially on this energy of manipulation, like deception energy coming up. I feel like this is going to be a chance for you here, Virgo, to actually fully forgive yourself. This is the first step of any healing here, Virgo. Accepting that whatever fault that you had in the past here is no longer defining your future, and you are forgiving yourself, and then after that here forgiving whoever had done wrong towards you. Now looking into the other energy here, like I said before, you're having a very strong boundaries. Again, having boundaries is definitely important, but it's not only about boundaries here, Virgo. You are putting up so high defensive wall up, I would say here, because like I said before, you are afraid to step out, you are afraid of being hurt again. So you are concealing yourself in a way that no one else could actually reach you, and at the same time you cannot reach the outside world. And another thing that I've got coming up here is that with the Six of Cups energy coming in here, I'm also getting a very strong inner child trauma or childhood trauma coming in here as well, Virgo. I feel like this is the time that again, like I said before, by the time of Mercury retrograde as well as the the new moon in the month of October, these are the few things that you have to heal. These are the few things that you have to let go of here. Now, looking into your person energy here, Virgo, I'm getting a very strong of significant age gap energy coming up here, because with this Six of Cups energy that I've got coming up from your side here, Virgo, I feel like there is going to be two new person coming. Sorry, there's definitely going to be like two person coming in into your life here, Virgo. One is going to be a completely new person, and the other one here is going to be someone from your past making an attempt to come back again. Now, this someone from the past here could be the one that have actually hurt you, or this could be like a completely a different person. But again, these are the things that you have to release, that you have to let go here, Virgo. Now, looking into your person energy here, like I said before, I'm getting two majors energy coming up here: water sign and earth sign, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, and Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Both of them here either have a significant age gap between both of you, or there is a little bit of immaturity coming in here. I feel like this person from the past here is someone with a very strong immaturity energy coming in here from them, or someone with a very strong water sign. Like I said before, that immaturity energy and childish energy coming up quite strongly from your person here. I do not really see any much changes, I would say here, Virgo. So you have to make a decision here whether which one that you need to choose from, the new person or the old person. Now, moving forward into the new person here, I'm getting a very strong earth sign, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. This person may have a significant age gap with you, could be like a couple of years older or a couple of years younger than you. Another thing that I've got coming up here, Virgo, is that with this Page of Pentacles energy coming in here, someone who is actually quite grounded and quite mature within themselves, especially when it comes into financial stability here, Virgo, they are definitely up there. Another thing that I've got coming up here is that with this Hermit energy and the Strength energy coming up here, I'm getting a very strong you have the choice here, Virgo, which one you're going to choose. This new person here, Virgo, I'm getting a very strong someone who is either introvert or someone with a very strong wisdom. I'm getting like a very strong grounding energy and wisdom energy coming up quite strongly here, Virgo. And then I've also got the Ten of Pentacles energy coming in here as well. You are definitely going to be getting the love, the family that you desire. There is no doubt on that. Now, let's look at into the channel messages that I'm getting coming up for you. It's quite interesting because the messages that I've got coming up from your past person that will make an attempt to come back here. I'm sorry for hurting you. So like I said before, they are definitely going to be coming back and apologizing towards you, or like trying to ask for forgiveness, but I honestly do not see much changes coming up from them. And this new person here, Virgo, I'm working on building our future. So the intention that this new person have towards you, or this intention, the intention that this new person has towards you here, Virgo, is that they want to build an empire together, I would say here, or they want to, like rebuild or build up the family that you desire. The overall message that I've got coming up here is that you are my everything. So both of them will definitely try to win you back, and at the end of the day here, you have the choice. Which one are you going to be choosing here, Virgo? That's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if this message resonates with you, Virgo, don't forget to like, share and leave a comment in the comment section, as well as subscribe. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.